Alright guys, happy Saturday. Saturdays are for shopping, but we didn't take you guys shopping with us unfortunately today, but we did do some shopping, and today we are going to be Today we're going to be cleaning out of the sandbox. We just been shopping and went and got
step to the side, baby.
sand, and this will be Kristen's first time actually being able to play in the sandbox. So Kyler it's dirty. It can go in the trash. Kyler is getting all the leaves and the old sand out, and Daddy's gonna put new sand in. Say hi, guys.
Hi. Hi guys. When we went to the Home Depot, we saw how to make
the paint. So we're gonna repaint this like burgundy reddish color, and we bought new paint today. So we're giving the sandbox a whole new makeover, and we're taking you guys along with us. So let's clean out the sandbox. Alright, so they got it all cleaned out, and we put mothballs in there because we have like a little cat and other type of rodents that's around, so hopefully mothballs will keep the rodents away. So like I said, we got 8 bags of sand. Alright guys, so last year Kristen was so tiny when we did this, so that video is right there. You can click that video to see the video last year when we cleaned out the sandbox and planted roses and stuff like that. So today it's the same thing that we did last year, we're doing today. We do this every year. We're gonna get everything cleaned out, get the yard cleaned out, get the sandbox cleaned out. We're gonna put a gazebo up. We don't have the I cannot talk with this retainer. We don't have the gazebo yet. I'm gonna order it online, so it's not here yet, but I'm gonna get a new gazebo, and we're gonna get this yard together for the summer. So we're gonna have some nice summer fun videos coming for you guys. But we got 8 bags of sand, and that should be more than enough sand for the entire summer. And these kids gonna have some fun.
help us.
Oh, she's coming to help?
Yeah.
Alright, so they're gonna get the sand in here, and boom, sandbox ready to play.
But not yet.
So these are all the toys that we were able to save from last year. We got to get some more toys, but the sandbox is ready to play. No. All right, so this is Kristen's first time in the sandbox.
Don't eat no sand, Kristen.
She don't want to play in the sandbox. You don't want to play in the sandbox? Huh? No.
Can I kill it? No. Look, I made a sandbox! Come on, look!
You gotta come in the sandbox? Come on.
Let's make a sand castle! Let's make a sand game.
Here, touch the sand. So I took her shoes off, and she don't want to sand on her feet. Let's see how she reacts to me burying her feet in the sand.
Do you know I found what barrier?
No, just her feet.
Just her feet.
Look, she doesn't like it. Stop, she doesn't like it. Kyler, stop.
You like it? You're kind of. You're mushing my castle. That was your castle? Yeah. You don't.
It's in your toes. You feel the sand in your toes?
Okay, let's add.
All right, so Kristen does not like the sand in her toes. She's like freaking out, and she don't even want to get back in the sandbox. She don't like the sand in her toes. Look at her. That was just like a no. Why did you take my shoes off, and why did you put the sand on my feet? Like, no, I don't even know what this stuff is, and you putting it on my feet. Like, she's trying to escape now. She's literally trying to run away. Where are you going? Huh? Excuse me, ma'am. Where are you going?
Look at Daddy.
Alright, so
Our cutter. He's a cutter. So
alright, so she's done with the sandbox. I think I ruined it for her. I ruined it for her.
She's
Alright.
gone. Hey guys, today finally Mommy and Daddy is painting the playscape. Check it out. This is what it looks like. They have not finished yet, and they have got some on the slide. So,
Alright, so we are finished. It's as good as it's going to get, and it looks really good. We're going to put a sign on it that says the Andrews Squad, and I'm thinking like some faux flowers at the top from the Dollar Tree, and it looks good. I was scared of this color at first, but it turns out good.